Delhi is witnessing a decline in the number of daily COVID-19 cases and the positivity rate. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that the lockdown imposed in the national capital was successful. COVID-19 cases are going down in Delhi and so is the second wave. With your cooperation, lockdown was successful. We have increased the number of oxygen beds in the past few days. On May 10th, we started 500 new ICU beds near GTB Hospital. Now, there's no shortage of ICU and oxygen beds in Delhi. Speaking about the COVID-19 vaccination drive in Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal said that they don't have sufficient vaccines to inoculate all the residents of Delhi within 3 months. We are administering 1.25 lakh doses every day. We will soon begin vaccinating over 3 lakh people every day. We aim to vaccinate all residents of Delhi within the next 3 months. But we are facing a vaccine shortage. We are left with stock that will last only a few days. The Delhi Chief Minister also said that only 2 companies manufacturing vaccines will not be able to meet vaccines demand in India. Only 2 companies are producing vaccines. They produce only 6 to 7 crore vaccines a month. This way, it will take over 2 years to vaccinate everyone. Kejriwal asked the centre to share vaccine manufacturing formula with other pharma companies in the country. Not just 2, several companies should be deployed to produce vaccines. The centre should collect the formula to produce vaccines from these 2 companies and give it to all those companies that can produce vaccines safely. The centre has the power to do this in these difficult times. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain commented on the decline in the COVID-19 positivity rate. In the last few days, the positivity rate has declined from 36% to 19.1%, with the caseload also going down from 28,000 per day to about 12,500. Till we reach a positivity rate below 5% and a caseload below 3,000 to 4,000 cases, we can't be at ease. Lockdown has been imposed in Delhi since April 19th and it will continue till May 17th. The national capital still has over 85,000 active cases according to Delhi government data.